Hi, I'm Owen Honey, a local DIY enthusiast from Builders. Are you looking to transform your outdoor patio area? Why not lay down some trendy artificial lawn? You can buy it at Builders in pre-cut sections or per meter. And I've laid it down in this patio area and it looks fantastic. Let me show you how you can achieve the same at home. The tools and products required to complete the task are artificial grass, a straight edge or a spirit level, a sharp blade, tape measure, marker, and two-way adhesive tape. Make sure the area that you'll be laying your artificial grass in is clean and free from any debris and dust. You'll also need to make sure that there's good drainage in this area. Now measure out the balcony, leaving a 50mm overlap on each side of the area, and also take note of any doorways or inlays. Lay out the artificial lawn upside down. We will first mark and then cut the length of the lawn using a straight edge and a sharp crafter's knife. Remember to cut an extra 50mm at either end for extra leeway. Not all walls are true, so there's a slight chance you'll need to cut off accordingly. However, this will be done at a later stage. In this case, we had a doorway to consider, so we cut the lawn slightly wider to accommodate this without having to make an extra joint. The sharp crafter's knife easily cuts through the pile of the carpet without any mess. Remember our old saying, measure twice and cut once. This is especially true when doing this installation by yourself. With the artificial lawn cut to our required size, it was time to lay it down on the patio floor. Shift the carpet around to give the best possible fit. Now it's time to cut away all of the excess along the walls and around any obstacles for a nice snug fit. Don't rush this cutting process, as you don't want to cut away too much excess, so take your time. And last but not least, make sure that you stick down your carpets using double-sided tape, especially in those high traffic areas around any doorways or at the end of your carpet to make sure that it doesn't lift up or trip somebody up. Another useful tip is to leave gaps between the double-sided tape that will assist with the drainage off the balcony. Once the tape is in place, add some pressure with your hands or feet to ensure good adhesion. Artificial grass has become so versatile, it is well suited to be used indoors and outdoors. A good quality artificial lawn can last you up to 15 years and can be vacuum cleaned. I'm really pleased the way this artificial grass has transformed this small enclosed balcony. It looks fantastic, and all I need now is my putting stick and a ball, and putt it is. Well, all the products we use in this insert are available in store or online. For more product ideas, please go to our blog on our website, which is www.builders.co.za. Get to Builders, get it done.